Hello, my name is Chris from taxitruckaccounting.ca. I will be talking about the tax implications on your truck driving business. Who are we and what can we do for our clients? We are experienced in preparing bookkeeping and tax reporting services for our clients in the trucking industry. One of the main questions we are asked is, how can we help you save taxes? There are many available tax deductions for truck drivers, and this will depend on whether you are considered self-employed or employed. When you are self-employed, you are considered to be running your own business. A wide variety of deductions may be available to you, which include meals, lodging, licenses, car repairs, and lease payments. When you are employed, you may be able to claim out-of-pocket expenses related to your job. Also, there is a special form for you and your employer to fill out to claim meals and lodging expenses on your tax return. Our goal is to help you make the right deductions on your tax returns to help minimize your taxes. Another common question we are asked is, what documentation do we need to send to Canada Revenue Agency to claim expenses? You do not need to send your receipts to Canada Revenue Agency unless they are asked to see them. However, it is important that you keep all receipts on file in case they are asked for. To learn more about our services and how we can advise you of your truck driving business, visit our website at taxitruckaccounting.ca. You can also send us an email at info@taxitruckaccounting.ca or contact us at 416-626-2727. Thank you.